Hey, what's going on, elite owners? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on or turn off your daytime running lights in a 2019 GLC. First, we need to hit the home button. Once you hit the home button, we need to scroll down and highlight settings. So we're going to be using our down arrow. Once you highlight settings, you need to press the OK button to go into settings. Once inside settings, we're going to go down to lights. We're going to press the OK button. And from here, it's very important that you shut off your engine or you will not be able to activate or deactivate daytime running lights. Once we shut off the engine, pressing the OK button will allow you to turn off or turn on the daytime running lights. And that's how you turn on or turn off the daytime running lights in a 2019 GLC.